This video will demonstrate how the Azure Form Recognizer can be used with the desktop automation driver to send handwritten documents to SharePoint. I will begin by submitting the document to the desktop automation driver. For this example, create a quick workflow. I will use the SharePoint automatic submission workflow type in the workflow configuration menu. I will configure the OCR engine with the pre-built document form recognizer model. This will pull the general information from the document and enable the handwritten text to be mapped as field values. I will choose the Veterans Exemption SharePoint library and my desired folder path. Now that I have selected a SharePoint library, I can populate the SharePoint indexes using document text. The Form Recognizer model has already found all relevant information from the document, so I can easily drag the field objects over my desired data. I have now configured all of my desired SharePoint indexes, so I will hit Finish to complete the workflow configuration and process the document. Within a couple of seconds, the heads-up indexing menu will appear for any field that has an OCR confidence level below 90%. This menu can be quite useful as it allows users to change any incorrect field values for this document. Though all of the fields are correct, I will just hit OK to finish processing the document. When I navigate to SharePoint, we can now see the submitted document along with the SharePoint indexes that were populated using the document text. The ability to process handwritten documents in this manner is vital for any user who wants to pull specific information from scanned documents or documents that contain handwritten text. Correct, bad handwriting. Many handwritten documents can contain sloppy or hard-to-read text. To combat this, when a document is processed, the desktop automation driver prompts the user to confirm that any fields with uncertain values are correct. In this case, I will manually fix the email field, new rating field, and the prior rating field. We can see that the fields we corrected were successfully updated and sent to the SharePoint library. The ability to confirm that all information pulled from the document is correct gives users confidence that they may not have had with other systems, highlighting the value that the Form Recognizer and Desktop Automation Driver combo can create. Going back to the Workflow Configuration menu, I will demonstrate how to use property modifiers. Altering form information, which is another great feature of the Desktop Automation Driver. Property modifiers can be added to any field to alter the field's value. There are an extensive number of modifiers to choose from. In addition to this, multiple modifiers can be applied to the same field value at the same time. I will add a modifier to the tax map number to remove all characters besides the last three numbers. I would also like to add a modifier to the selection mark fields. These fields represent checkboxes that are either selected or not selected. Instead of the field value being selected or unselected, I will add a modifier to make the text either yes or no. For this example, I will use a simple custom code modifier to change the text to yes if the checkbox is selected and no if it is unselected. I can now hit Finish to send my customized output to SharePoint. In conclusion, combining Azure Form Recognizer with the Desktop Automation Driver enables users to seamlessly capture handwritten text information from documents. Furthermore, the numerous built-in features of the Desktop Automation Driver, such as heads-up indexing and property modifiers, enable users to custom tailor their output to fit their specific business or personal needs.